You know, he was going to move out here, but his wife wouldn't let him.
Oh.
Because they live in Houston, and their son has a heart condition he was born with.
Oh, yeah.
And so she was just like, I'm not leaving my son's doctor.
Yeah, he was really good.
He's so funny.
Yeah, he was.
He says the meanest things to me. And you can't help but laugh.
Did you cut it yet?
A little bit.
You're a lefty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, me too.
Oh, you all are? Oh my God, I love that. I was so sad when my daughter wasn't left-handed.
Well, everybody's born right-handed, but some of us just overcome
I love that. Mm.
So this is a cyst?
Yep, exactly.
Wow. That's a pretty good size, huh?
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Wow.
What, Dr. Pimper Popper?
Yeah, that's big. I mean, it looks bigger than
You feel
it
pain?
was.
Can I get a little more now? Right down at the bottom. Okay, keep filming, keep filming, keep filming. Okay, then, there it is.
And how do you get those?
They're inherited. So,
Are they really?
mm-hmm. There's a big part of it right here.
All dead skin, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, how can it die in there?
That just sheds skin into it, and it just keeps building up and building up. Okay.